Well, in the last video session, I was introducing you to the concept of National Computer Tribunal, and I got many good feedback about the same, and expecting more such videos. Now, today I'll be giving you the inputs with regard to the composition of the National Computer Tribunal. As I already told in my first video session, Nclt or the National Computer Tribunal is a quasi-judicial body exclusively devoted for computer law matters, with specific reference to, yeah, of course, the matters regarding to which has been dealt by already by the Computer Law Board, BAFR, and Honorable High Court will be now hereafter dealt with the National Computer Tribunal. I like to give you an input that the few days back, there is the 1st June 2016, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs has already notified the constitution of the National Computer Tribunal officially, and it has also constituted few benches, 11 benches altogether in India. So today we'll be, I'll be briefing you on the concept of the composition of NCLT, how the NCLT looks like. NCLT is basically, of course, it has been come from the top authority, that is the two benches are there, that is one is the principal bench, it is in the New Delhi. So the principal bench will be presided over by the president of the NCLT, who will be a judicial person, and that bench or that principal office or the president's office will be assisted by two sets of officers, and that is one set is called judicial members and another set is called technical members. Again, judicial member will also consist of judicial background persons, like the persons who have been qualified to be eligible to be a judge, of having 5 years of working as a district judge, and other judicial background is concerned. Now, coming to technical member is those who are practically into the computer aspect. For example, they should be either have 15 years experience in ICLS, that is the Indian Computer Law Service, or here comes the role of practicing professionals, where practicing chartered accounts and practicing cost accounts and practicing company secretaries having 15 years of practicing experience are also eligible to be appointed as a technical member of the National Computer Tribunal. So the NCLT looks like this. It has the principal office at Delhi, and it will be headed by the president, and it have two sets of people who to assist the same. One set is called judicial members, and second is called technical members. The technical members is very important as far as we professionals are concerned, because senior members who are in practice for 15 years, like CA or CS or company secretaries, can also be appointed as the NCLT. As of now, 8 members has already been appointed to the this committee, the judicial or technical committees. So this is how NCLT looks, the forum looks, and NCLT will be functioning by way of benches. And already, as I told earlier, 11 benches has been constituted, 2 in New Delhi, 1 in Mumbai, 1 in Chennai, 1 in Bengaluru, 1 in Hyderabad, and so on the list goes. So now I like to invite you to something which is very unique as far as NCLT is concerned. One is, of course, section 425, which speaks about, the NCLT has the power to invoke the provisions of Contempt Act, that is the Contempt of Court Act. That means any order issued by the NCLT, it should be viewed as the same as the order issued by the Honorable Civil Court. Either you have to face the consequences of the Contempt of Court Act. Second section which I like to invite you is regarding to 430, that is 430, where it is specified that civil court has no jurisdiction to entertain any petition which NCLT or NCLT is empowered to do so. That means the power vested with the NCLT and the NCALT, that is appellate tribunal, is exclusively for them, and the civil court has not been given an authority to entertain petitions which comes under the purview of NCLT and NCLT, that is section 430. So these are the things which I like to, little more the step which I told you from the last video. And before I conclude, I like to give you one input that the practicing professionals, company secretaries, cost accounts, chartered accounts, along with, of course, the lawyers, has been empowered to appear before the NCLT on behalf of their clients. That means any person who want to present a case before the Honorable NCLT can either in person they can go, or they can engage a lawyer or a cost accountant or a chartered accountant or a company secretary who are in practice. That means the first time where the professionals has been given an authority to appear before a tribunal which has been exclusively devoted for Companies Act is concerned. So anyway, as I already always I say, this is a new season coming into 1st June 2016 is a very important date as far as practicing professionals are concerned. You have a exclusively forum now to discuss and to appear before the tribunal, which is exclusively going to devote the company law matters. I am sure that you'll enjoy these type of sessions again. Next session or the coming sessions, I'll be dealing with section wise coverage of what are the sections or what are the areas by where you will get approval or you get permission or you get orders from the Honorable Nclt is concerned. So today's session is a briefing about the composition. As I already told, Nclt will be having a president, will have a two wing, judicial wing and of course technical wing, and they'll have, as present they have 11 benches all over the India, and for south we have the nearest is Chennai, and you have Bengaluru also. So we'll see how it is going to roll out very soon. In coming session, I will be dealing with the section wise, way how which you can approach the Honorable Nclt is concerned. Thank you. Keep on posting the sessions.